Today's chow fan is
beautiful. Any LongOnion? Akano. Kuya. Any po? Thank you po. 10 peso. Can I get this one 50? Yes po. 50 gram. Thank you po. I better check if it's open or broken, right? Hello, Pangit. Yeah, this one na lang. Thank you po.
okay. Today's chow fan is incredibly good. Like wow.
Choking, poteju, Teen Typhoon,
My chow fan is sobra good.
be honest, as Japanese in the Philippines going out eat and order chow fan, none of them are good. Sorry, I be honest. If you wanna eat good one, try this one please. You will see like, wow, I don't need to go outside of eat their chow fan. I will teach you simple way so you can make it. Tara na. So what you have to prepare is rice. Even Filipino rice is actually okay. Can be. But if you have Japanese rice, I make the video of how to make Japanese rice. So Japanese rice, 200 gram. Microwave and make it hot. Then I will use 2 eggs. Usually it's 1 egg, but I will make with 2 eggs. Yeah, 50 gram exactly. 20 peso. 50 gram of bacon sliced. Actually, if it's pork, anything is okay. I just bought in SM because it looks good. And also long onions. People usually throw away this part, but I will use everything separately, this part and this part. Then ginger, just 1 part of pinky. As just scent, if you put this, quality will be like incredibly. And sake, Ajinomoto, salt and pepper, soy sauce, olive oil, regular oil, whatever it is. Start from ginger. Really small, right? Cut small. Super small. Peeling or non-peeling, whichever is okay. Then leave it here. Next, onion. The white part, 30 gram. And green part, 15 gram. Make it small. Right? Then back flip, then straight so that it go like super small. Green part, also make it small and put in the pan direct. Like this. Then pork, looks nice, no? Pork also make it small. Whenever you grab the chow fan with the spoon, then put in the mouth, I want the meat texture all the time. So make it small, as much as you can, smaller. Then chop. If you do this, more texture of meat. Put in the glass bowl. Then 1 small teaspoon of oyster sauce plus 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. What I am doing is, usually Japanese chow fan, we use char siu. I don't want to make char siu from 1, start from 1. So similar taste of char siu taste. Mix very well, then leave it. Into the bowl, 2 egg already prepared. Little mix is okay. It's like a scrambled egg. What most important to make when you make chow fan is beforehand you cut and prepare. When you start heating, you cannot heat the rice. Like you go heat first before start the fire. That's how to make good chow fan. Okay, everything is here. Salt, Ajinomoto pepper, sake, olive oil, and green onion, egg, rice, ginger, pork that we marinated. We are ready and start fire. Put olive oil, 2 big teaspoons of olive oil. Make the long onion oil. When you make chow fan, always strong fire, always. The umami of green onion put inside of oil. And don't worry, this will be black. Just like those kinds, then scoop the onion. This looks black then burn, it's not burning. If you love long onion, after make chow fan, you can put it on top. If you don't like it's okay, just throw away. Oil with long onion, then put your marinated meat. Meat is done. Make separated, and inside of pool, put the ginger. If ginger smells good, put the egg inside. And from here, very fast. Go rice. Then mix with pork. Put half teaspoon of salt. 8 shake of Ajinomoto. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And black pepper. 3 times more than you think. Put the onion. The white part. Heat until one rice separate dry. Para, we call para. Then this chow fan becomes very dry. Then you put 1 big teaspoon of sake. Then mix. And dry out sake you put. And put in the bowl. Put in the bowl and little press. Don't press too hard. Use another plate, then like this and that. Whoopoo! Bon appetit!
Kain na tayo. Mukhang masarap, di ba? Ano? Karasa ng Japan. Mas masarap pa sa Boteju. Mas masarap pa sa Chowking. Gusto ko tikman yun. Masarap. Thanks for watching my dinner. Mata na.